Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. So the good news is Moomoo makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stocks on Moomoo in 2026. So first thing, open a Moomoo brokerage account. So download the Moomoo app, create an account. So complete identity verification, open a brokerage account. After that, or let's say that we signed up into this app, the most important thing or the most important step after that is to find or to add money to your account or fund your account. So before investing, you will need money available for trading. So you have to open the Moomoo app. So let's see the steps. Go to accounts, select deposit fund. After that, link your bank account and then transfer money into your brokerage account. So funds deposited will be deposited. Buying power will be available, and bank transfers may require settlement time before funds are fully available. So after that, you have to search for NVIDIA or NVDA. As you can see here. So you have to search for it, tap the search icon, enter NVDA, and select NVIDIA Corporation. So after that, starts by a buy order. So and then tap buy, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.